Good morning, students. So today discussion, you can see in my right hand side there's a question coming in each and every year in class 9 as well as in ICSE exam. 115 marks question coming each and every year in ICSE exam as well as in class 9 exam. Okay. So today I will discuss these questions. Okay. Now you can see in this question paper the class name is mentioned, variables which you are used in this program is mentioned, the method which you are using in this program is mentioned, the criteria of calculation is also present, and print present, and how you print the entire thing is also present. Okay, and the main method required. Inside the main method need to create an object and call the above method or invoke the method. Okay, so let's start the program. First I'm writing a class according to question. So creating a class which class name is A transport, A capital transport. Okay, now transport class is created. Double click and open the program. So import I'm incorporating the package, import the util package. The remaining portion is erase. Now I'm writing the scanner. Okay, scanner line. Because in your question paper you can see using scanner class is mentioned in your question paper. Using scanner class you take a input. So first I'm taking the variables value. Okay, then do the entire thing. So first I'm writing the string name. Okay, then semicolon, then int w and charge. So once I'm writing int w comma charge. Okay, now writing the scanner one. Okay, now time to write the method. You can see the method name is clearly written over here, void accept. So use void accept, a small. Okay, then inside this method what we will do is written clearly to accept the name of the customer, weight of a parcel from the user. So what your inputs, one is customer name and another one is the weight of the parcel. So give you a proper message to user, those who run the program, so they can easily enter the value according to your requirement. Okay, system dot out dot print enter customer name. Okay, then use name is equal to sc dot next line next system dot out dot print enter the parcel weight. So because we are sending a parcel, so I need to take a parcel weight, set the parcel weight. Okay, parcel weight. Now your message given to user. Now w is equal to sc dot next int. Please look carefully the program, because due to one small mistake your program having the error. Because Java is case sensitive programming language. So suppose you need to provide a capital, that time you are missing, you are writing small, Java will not accept that one. So this small mistake you remember, don't ignore that one. Okay, avoid to do this any small mistake, okay, in your program. Next, your input taken. Now time to do the calculation. Void calculate method is there. Now in this method, to calculate the charge as per the weight of the parcel, now you can see here weight in kg and charge per kg. So up to 10 kg is 25. Once your amount, the weight, parcel weight is increased more than 10, so first 10 kg rupees 25 per kg. From next onward, suppose you are buying 15 kg, sending a parcel which is 15 kg. That time the first 10 kg rupees 25 and next extra 5 kg is charge rupees 20 per kg. Means the total amount is 10 into 25 plus 5 into 20. So this is your entire calculation. Same way we can see first 10 kg, next 20 kg means up to 30 kg. Okay, so that's why we start doing the calculation from down to upwards. Down to upwards. So first I am checking here if weight greater than 30, then charge, okay, charge is equal to first 10 kg into 25 each, okay, plus next 20 kg into 20 rupees per kg, and additional kg means total weight minus 30, because we are already calculating 10 kg and 20 kg. So 30 kg is over, so extra 30, so I am decreasing total weight to 30 kg, so you get the extra how much kg you are incorporating into 10 rupees per kg. This is the calculation way. Okay, this way you do the calculation. Okay, next, else if your weight greater than 10 kg, okay, because greater than 10 kg means next 20 kg. This time charge is equal to first 10 kg into 25 plus additional weight minus 10 kg. Because first 10 kg is calculated, remaining 10 kg, I am decreasing 10 kg and you got the extra how much kg you are using into rupees 20. Okay. Then next else, charge is equal to weight into 25 kg. Below 10 kg, up to 10 kg. So whatever the kg you are using is multiplied with the 25, because per kg 25 will up to 10 kg. So this is the calculation. Now you can see a sentence after this table. A surcharge or surcharge, a surcharge of 5% is charged on the bill. This is the additional calculation you will do. Surcharge, just do one thing. So charge is equal to charge plus charge into 5 by 100. Now what is the calculation behind it? You don't need to use any other variable for calculating this one. Okay, suppose you are buying a product whose amount is 100 rupees. Suppose you got a discount 10%. So you are paying 90 rupees because your total amount is 100. The discount amount is 10. How you get 10? 100 into 10 by 100. You got 10%. Okay. Then the 10 rupees you decrease. Here the additional charge. So you add. So that's why this is the discount, the 5% calculation. This is the previous charge, and adding both these two and storing in the same variable. Okay. This way you do the calculation. Clear? Next method is display. Void display, so print. Now once you see this type of print is present, so how you do this print? Okay, simply first you print the entire message, the first line message. How? System dot out dot print ln. First one is name. You provide as it is message you can see in this question. Okay, so name. You use /t for tab. /t, I'm giving 2/t for better looking. You can use 1/t. Then wait again /t. Now you use the bill amount, space amount. Okay, now printed. Now one by one you print the entire thing. Again, system dot out dot print. So first you print the name, which is present inside the variable name. Then you need to put a tab. So for tab you use within double quote. So /t. So now this is a message and this is a variable. So need to use a separator. I'm using plus separator. Okay. Again plus separator. Again print the weight. So W. Again use plus separator, and again print the /t and plus separator and the bill amount, which is present inside the charge. Okay. Now your work done. Print process done. Now time to write the main method. Okay. Now in this main method, first you create an object of this particular class. So how we create an object? Class name, object name is equal to new class name. So class name is a transport obj is equal to new transport bracket open close semicolon, your object created. Now time to call one by one you call the methods. Okay, so first we need to call the input method. Without input it's not possible in doing the calculation. So first you input method, which is here is accept. So obj dot accept. Next obj dot calculate. Obj dot print. All method called from main. Okay, now time to compile. See, there's no error, so just close it and run the program, and you can see the message. So I'm providing here the customer name. I'm providing my name. Okay, now you can see, suppose my parcel amount I'm print it 3 times. One for above 30 kg, one is above 10 kg, one is the above below 10 kg, based on the criteria. Okay, suppose my weight is 37 kg. Now 37 kg is, I'm showing you the calculator to better understanding. Now you can see here, first 10 kg means 10 into 25 is equal to 250. So 250 plus next 20 kg means 20 into 20, which is 400 kg, plus 400 kg plus additional how much? If you use 70 kg, then additional 7 kg. Okay, so 7 kg means 7 extra 7, 7 into 10, 70. So plus 70. Now you look the output 720. So if I press enter here, you can see the 720. Okay, now additional 5% of this 720 is equal to, I'm doing the calculation, into 5%. So this is the amount plus 120. So plus 720 plus 0.05. Okay, the route value is, so I think some calculation is mistake. Some 720 into 5 by 100, 36. So 36 plus 720, you can see 756. You can see here, due to the size of the name, the remaining the column is not matching. So what we will do, simply I'm increasing that tab over here, /t. Okay, again compile, close it, run it. Now I am doing the next example. Okay, okay, now my kg is, suppose 21 kg. Okay, now you can see the diagram is appropriate. Okay, so name is present, weight is present, and bill is present. 20 kg means first 10 kg, so 250 rupees. Next 20 kg, so additional 11 kg. 11 kg into 20. Okay, so 220 plus 250 and additional 5% we can add, you can get this answer. Okay, again I run it. Now weight is suppose 7 kg, 70 rupees, then additional 5%. Okay, so you can see this is the way you do the calculation. I hope you can easily understand the entire thing, how you write, how do the entire thing. So once I open the code, so you can write the code from the video easily, because then there's the longer the program is too long, so I'm not putting in my description box. Okay, so if you want to write it, so please write from the video. Okay, so I'm giving a few seconds to you can write it down, or you can pause the video, you can write. Okay, so one more thing, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon for update videos. Okay, so first you get the video. Thank you, have a nice day, see you in next video.